Welcome friends, welcome back to the watch world. Today we present the EX190 from the Casio Edifice, which is the model number EFR-539D-1A2V. Now the box includes obviously the watch, the Casio India blue color warranty card, the module which is the 5345 module number, which is the manual of the watch, the list of Casio India service providers, and the blue corrugated box with the cushion pillow inside. This watch is again a blue and a black combination dial that suits for the medium wrist and for the large wrist, and the strap is again a brushed metal strap with center as a glossy shiny stainless steel. The watch face is big and the blue and black combination looks amazing altogether. It's an eye grabber for sure and one of the most beautiful watches from Casio Edifice. Now let's look at the dial closely. So the blue and black combination looks amazing on this watch as said earlier, and the watch will go with all casuals and formals. The strap is again brushed metal on the sides and glossy in the center, and altogether gives the very good look to the watch and definitely prevents it from scratches as well. The side of the clock again has the Casio logo embossed on the crown, and on the back there is the Casio genuine hologram, the module number and the model number, which is EFR539. The lock again is a single clasped lock and easy to put off and put on, and definitely one-handed operations can be done. And then there are the alteration links, somewhere around 6 links are there for alterations of the watch. Coming back to the dial, let's try and understand the chronograph of the watch, which is the stopwatch. So there is this date, and the big second needle is for the regular timekeeping, and the hour and the minute needle is for the regular timekeeping. On the subdials, there are 3 subdials. Let's try and understand the subdials over here. The bottom one is for the seconds of chronograph. The top one is for the fast chronograph, which is 1 by 10 seconds. And as we can see that the seconds are running in the bottom dial, and on the left hand side the sub dial, it's for the minutes. So in total this watch will run for chronograph for somewhere around 60 minutes, which is near to 1 hour. So we'll stop and reset. So we stop it from the top button, which is like pause from the top button, and then after pressing the bottom button it goes back to reset. So altogether it's a very decent package. Now let's see it further. The watch has radium. So now let's have a look at the radium, how it looks in dark. So as you can see, it's a very bright radium. We have done pitch dark, and the minute and the hour needle works, and the pointers which shows the time. So altogether it's a very good watch and definitely a must buy. And in the last, thanks for watching the video. Please do subscribe and help us know how we can improvise on our videos. Thanks again. Have a good day.